et sèche-moi ces larmes de crocodile.
So I'm trying to make things at home that I use quite a bit of, and one thing that I definitely use a ton of is peanut butter. So I found a really easy way to make peanut butter. Also, if you don't want any salt in your peanut butter, you don't want to sweeten it or anything, this is the easiest way to do it. So when I go to the store, when I go to the bulk bins, I always purchase the roasted unsalted peanuts. And that's what I purchased the other day when I did my plastic-free haul. So I have, I think, just about I can't even talk. I haven't had my coffee yet. About a pound of peanuts, maybe a little bit more. And I'm not sure exactly how much that's gonna yield. I might have to use a couple of dishes, but let's see. So this is really super easy. I'm just gonna basically throw these peanuts into this blender. Throw a lid on. And then you want to start it out on variable and just let it slowly go. Increase the speed. Notice it's kind of sluggish. Switch hands and angles here. And use your tamper to push the peanuts down into the blades. And that's the point I'm gonna stop it. It's fairly creamy at this point. There might be a few little specks of peanuts in there, but now the difficult part is transferring it from the blender to a jar. Additionally, I really like to store my peanut butter in the fridge. That way it doesn't separate, and I think it just has a better texture in the fridge. So that's where I will be storing this, and it'll last who knows how long. I just keep using it, and it's still good. So I don't know how long it'll last. It's a good question.